Water, dust, rain, pressure. Industrial robots face it all. But how do you know if a robot can really handle harsh environments? That's where IP ratings like IP27, IP66, and IP67 come in. In this video, we'll decode these numbers, explain the key differences, and help you understand which rating actually matters for your application. IP ratings, or Ingress Protection ratings, are an international standard that tells us how well a device, in this case, a robot, is protected against solid objects and water. The rating always has 2 digits after the letters IP. The first digit shows protection against solids, like dust, dirt, or tools. The second digit shows protection against liquids, mainly water. The third optional number represents values such as pressure. Let's start with IP27. The first number, 2, means the robot is protected against solid objects larger than 12 millimeters, roughly the size of a finger. It will stop someone from accidentally touching dangerous internal parts with a finger, but it offers almost no protection against dust or fine particles. The second number, 7, is strong for water protection. It means the robot can be temporarily immersed in water, up to about 1 meter deep for around 30 minutes, without harmful water getting inside. So IP27 is basically very limited dust protection, but good temporary water immersion protection. The new Boston Dynamics Atlas is IP27 certified. But what does that really mean? Let's take a closer look at its features and capabilities. The production-ready electric Atlas Humanoid from Hyundai-owned Boston Dynamics made its historic public debut at CES 2026, rising dramatically from the floor on stage to demonstrate ultra-fluid human-like movements, precise object picking from shelves, heavy payload lifting up to 66 pounds with advanced 3-fingered grippers, and industrial-grade agility designed for real factory deployment starting in 2028. The new electric Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics, unveiled at CES 2026, represents a major leap toward commercial humanoid robotics with its fully electric design, 56 degrees of freedom, 2.3-meter reach, and ability to lift up to 50 kilograms instantly, making it ideal for demanding industrial tasks like material handling and parts sequencing. The new Atlas robot features self-swappable batteries that enable continuous operation, providing approximately 4 hours of runtime during typical industrial tasks before the robot autonomously swaps them out in under 3 minutes. Production has begun immediately at Boston Dynamics' Boston headquarters, with the entire 2026 output already fully committed. Fleets are scheduled to ship soon to Hyundai's Robotics Metaplant Application Center and Google DeepMind for initial real-world deployments and AI integration testing using Gemini Robotics Foundation models. Now let's look at IP66, which is very common on modern industrial robots. The first digit, 6, means the robot is completely dust-tight. No dust at all can get inside. Zero ingress of solid particles. The second digit, 6, means it is protected against powerful water jets coming from any direction. Think high-pressure hose cleaning, heavy rain, or wash-down processes in factories. So IP66 gives you excellent protection against both dust and strong water jets, but it cannot handle full submersion. The DR02 and Lynx M20 from Deep Robotics are rated IP66, meaning they're fully dust-tight and can handle powerful water jets. Let's explore their specifications and features. Deep Robotics, a Chinese company renowned for its quadruped robots, unveiled the DR02 in October 2025 as the world's first industrial-grade humanoid robot with a full-body IP66 protection rating, enabling reliable operation in all weather conditions, including rain, dust, and extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The DR02 features a highly anthropomorphic design standing 175 centimeters tall, with advanced capabilities such as a walking speed of up to 4 meters per second, obstacle navigation, and a 275 TOPS computing unit supported by multi-sensor perception for real-time environmental adaptation. With its modular quick-replace components for easy maintenance and focus on practical industrial applications like patrols, inspections, and logistics, the DR02 aims to overcome traditional limitations of humanoid robots in harsh, unstructured environments. Deep Robotics DR02 has recently been demonstrated performing graceful Tai Chi sequences and dynamic martial arts-inspired movements, highlighting its exceptional balance, fluidity, and joint coordination. These viral videos, released in late December 2025, showcase the robot transitioning seamlessly from slow, precise Tai Chi flows to more energetic actions, impressing viewers with its human-like agility and stability in complex motions.
Welcome to the future of robotics, where machines don't just move, they adapt, climb, run, and even think. Let's kick things off with the Lynx M20 series, the world's first wheeled-legged robot engineered specifically for extreme terrain and hazardous environments in industrial settings. This isn't just another robot, it's a bold leap forward in mobility and intelligence. Designed to be lightweight yet tough as nails, the Lynx M20 thrives where traditional machines struggle. Whether it's navigating rocky mountain trails, slogging through muddy wetlands, or picking its way through disaster-stricken ruins, this machine is built to lead. It's already proving its value in emergency response, power grid inspections, scientific exploration, and heavy-duty logistics. What powers all this performance? At its core is Deep Robotics' cutting-edge expertise in embodied intelligence. The Lynx features a unique hybrid design that combines the agility of legs with the speed of wheels. It can climb platforms up to 80 centimeters high, reach speeds of 5 meters per second, and tackle continuous steps with ease. And it's built for the real world, with an IP54 protection rating that shields it from dust and water, and a high-performance video system that streams in real time. Developed under Deep Robotics AI Plus initiative, the Lynx M20 is fully customizable and adaptable, tailored for specific missions and industries. And when it's time to recharge? No downtime needed. It runs on a quick-swap, hot-swappable dual battery system, keeping it moving hour after hour.
Next is IP67, one of the most popular and balanced ratings for industrial robots in harsh conditions. Like IP66, the first digit 6 means complete dust-tight protection, no dust ingress whatsoever. The second digit 7 means protection against temporary immersion in water, up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes, just like IP27. So IP67 combines the best of both worlds. Full dust protection, plus the ability to survive temporary submersion in water. UB Tech Walker S2 carries an IP67 rating, making it fully dust-tight and capable of withstanding temporary water immersion. UB Tech's Walker S2 redefines home assistance in 2026. Upgraded with 52 degrees of freedom and dexterous hands, it pours coffee, cleans, and supports the elderly. BrainNet 2.0 fuses dual RGB vision for multimodal reasoning. Autonomous 3-minute battery swaps enable 24/7 operation. 500 to 1,000 units ship to BYD and Foxconn in 2025, with global consumer launch in 2026. Walker S2 is China's domestic darling gone worldwide. UB Tech dominated with massive contracts, including a $37 million deal for border security. Their upgraded Walker S2 shone in industrial settings, proving humanoids can handle tough, repetitive jobs 24/7. This marked one of the biggest actual deployments of humanoids in 2025, showing scalability is finally happening. Now, let's compare the key differences. IP27, good immersion protection, but very weak solid dust protection. IP66, excellent dust protection and resistance to powerful water jets, but no guaranteed protection against submersion. IP67, excellent dust protection and temporary immersion protection, which is same as IP27. In real-world robot applications, IP67 is often the sweet spot and one of the most commonly chosen ratings for industrial environments. It handles dusty, dirty conditions perfectly while also surviving accidental flooding, washdowns that go too far, or temporary water exposure, situations that are far more common than constant high-pressure jet cleaning alone. IP66 is great when powerful washdowns are frequent, but full submersion is unlikely. IP27 remains a rare and unusual choice, mostly only useful in very specific cases where submersion is needed, but dust isn't a concern. Thanks for watching. If you're choosing a robot for a harsh environment, always match the IP rating to the real threats your application will face: dust, jets, or occasional immersion, to get the right level of protection.